friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, AdventureAvenueIoT, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 10th project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. This project we need ESP32 development board, temperature sensor, 0.96 OLED display, breadboard, and jumper wires. I have connected temperature sensor with ESP32, GND with GND, data with digital pin 13, VCC with VIN. Then I have connected 0.96 OLED display with ESP32, GND with GND, VCC with VIN, SCL with digital pin 27, and SDA with digital pin 26. I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so I'll give the code in description. So let's see the code. In line number 11, just change your SSID, and in line number 12, just change your password. In line number 16, I set 20,700 because my country UTC time, coordinate universal time, is 5 hours 45 minutes. Just multiply 5 into 3,600 and 45 minutes into 60. Total it and you get 20,700. You can calculate your time like this according to your country. So now I will show you demonstration. Now I will upload the code. So the code is successfully uploaded. So now I will take you to my mobile. Now I am in my mobile. So now I will go to Chrome browser. So now I will type 192.168.1.88. So now you can see this interface. So at first there is my location, and at second there is my standard timing, and at third there is my room temperature 24.8 degrees Celsius, and in fourth there is my room humidity degree 45 degree. So you can see this all details in display also. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.